So today we're talking about ceramides, but let's begin at the beginning.
How much beginning? Where are we going?
What are ceramides?
Oh, well, that's really the beginning. So ceramides actually wrap around skin. Every part of skin that you can imagine, ceramides wrap around. Think of them as a protective Band-Aid, for lack of a better word, to keep the skin intact, healthy, protected. They also educate skin. They're skin educators. They actually have the ability to teach skin to take care of itself. Phenomenal. And then when you get a good complement of these in skincare products, you've got something very special to renew, revitalize, and keep that skin barrier, that external part of skin, and even a little further in, absolutely taken care of in a way that protects against environmental damage, keeps hydration in. It's just, stunning group of ingredients.
So ceramides do exist in the top layers of your skin naturally.
Yes.
So what is the specific benefit of adding them to skincare products?
Well, because your skin, again, because of sun damage, because we weren't good about using sunscreen and not getting tan through the years, and also just because of age, is your skin can't make ceramides. So that beautiful envelope that keeps and wraps around each element of skin starts becoming it's just not made. So the skin becomes very vulnerable to even not being able to hold hydration, to environmental attack. So you need ceramides, but when the body can't make it for the skin, then like many things that we formulate our products with, many of the beautiful ingredients is about giving skin back what it can't make for itself naturally anymore.
So the specific benefits of a good product with ceramides are moisture.
Moisture,
and
keeping hydration, keeping moisture in. So one of the things about skin, when we think about moisture, we think about water. And that absolutely is vital for skin. But skin has its own natural hydration balance. So you can't wouldn't it be great? You take a bath, you get out of the bathtub, and you're all hydrated.
Moisturized.
Oh, there we are. But it doesn't work that way. So what it is you need each area of skin to keep its natural hydration balance. It's interesting. Skin is about 70% water. And then as it moves up to the surface, you're at about somewhere between 30 and 10% water. So that's why just throwing water on the skin doesn't work. It's helping skin maintain that beautiful balance, and ceramides are one of those ingredients that can help skin do that. And just to be clear, Paula's Choice is never about one miracle skincare ingredient, because we love ceramides. There's no way the research isn't incredible about ceramides, but it takes more than just ceramides to keep skin healthy. Skin is very complicated, and there's no magic bullet. But ceramides is definitely one of those ingredients to pay attention to, a group of ingredients to pay attention to help skin really take great care of itself without you even having to think about it.
Ceramide products are appropriate for every skin type?
Every skin type, because every skin type, when it's healthy, when it's normal, when it's doing its job, should have lots of ceramides. But again, for many reasons, we stopped being able to make ceramides. So yes, every skin type can benefit from some amount of ceramides.
Everyone is looking for products or ingredients that will help with firming and plumping. Is this one of those?
So plumping, anytime you help skin have that moisture balance, that perfect moisture balance, that's when skin is naturally plump. And again, we lose that over time, but when you help skin hold on to water at all those different levels, that is just a natural way that skin can be plump. So absolutely, you get that plumping. And then firming is just all about helping skin when it's doing its job, when you're educating skin to have more ceramides, to be intact, to not break down, to have that normal moisture balance, then you're talking about what it takes to have firmer skin for sure.
Ceramides are good for all skin types.
Yes.
and good for all skin concerns.
Yes.
And pair well with other well-formulated skincare products.
Yep. Well said.
What's
perfect? What's perfectly said?
What's
You
not
got
to
it.
love,
You got it.
really?